So it's been a hot doggone minute since we sat down and did a little Temu haul, but here we are. Can you believe? I don't know which day this is actually going up, but my launch potentially may already be live with Oprah Cosmetics, the Sweet and Sassy collection. I'm still in disbelief. I'm so excited. Anyways, hi, hello, welcome. My name's Rada and your girl is all over the place. It is actually the 11th of July when I'm filming this, so it's 4 days. 4 days until launch day, and I'm just like, wow. This is exciting. It's happening. It's flipping happening. Anyways, welcome to the channel. Welcome to today's Temu haul. You guys said you were ready for some more, so here we go. As always, everything is going to be linked and listed down below for you guys with the prices and everything. If you've never heard of Temu, Temu is actually an app that you can download. Matter of fact, I'm going to have a special little link down below for you guys with a special little coupon code and everything. Tip on the coupon code: when you want to use it, go into the app and go into the search section like you would if you were looking for, say, cat toys or something like that. Up in that search section is where you can put like the special little coupon code. You're gonna get some of my favorites in there, as well as things at a really good price. So Temu literally has everything from home decor to camping things. There's fashion, there's beauty. I've probably hauled it between all three of my channels, so definitely make sure to check out that special little link down below to download with all the prices and everything. They have flash sales, they have lightning deals, they have free returns, they have free shipping, and they do also have price adjustments, which I love. If you have a camper or you just camp in general, you know space is kind of limited, so you have to be very creative when it comes to space. For the bathroom, you've got your little toilet brush here, and then you've got where you can have a garbage can right here in the little space. How freaking amazing is that? I am so excited. It's perfect for like the little tiny spaces, and it is a touch screen, not touch screen, but you push down and it opens, and then you can store your little toilet brush right there. This may have come in other colors, I'm not 100%, but just check my description box. I will also pin it in the comment section for you guys if you guys are interested in picking this up. But this is literally perfect for those tiny little bathrooms. So once again, this would be great at the camper or of course at home. I haven't decided. I think I'm gonna probably take it down to our camper. How flippin' adorable is that? So I don't know if I'm actually gonna put trash bags in here. I'm thinking what I'm gonna do is put the plastic bags. I don't know about you guys, but like all the plastic bags that come in this house, I always collect them. I use them to line my garbage cans in the bathroom. So I thought I would just go ahead and get this. This is really nice because it hangs on the wall. So I'm like, shoot, we could, right now I've just got all the plastic bags and like one Aldi reusable bag. But I think I'm going to take this down to our camper and use it for ours, because again, I collect the bags and then I line our garbage cans with them. It'll fit perfect, you know. So anyways, really nice, cute. It's like a little wooden slide out here, put your bags in here, pull them out the side or over here. Like, how freaking perfect is that? This blanket, yeah, that's from Temu. It's one of my family's favorites. So we have a little kitty cat that you guys know that I'm pretty obsessed with. How flipping cute is that? She actually has a little basket over there filled with all of her goodies, and I thought this would be really adorable to maybe like have a little table. Like, I've got a table over here on the side of the couch. It kind of slides under. It's really nice. So I need to find something for that little area of all of her stuff. So we'll have like the treat section, and then we've got a basket that has like her hairbrush, the harnesses that we hope to one day get on her, but she's like absolutely the flip not. Yeah, anyways, when I say they have things for your cats, your dogs, what have you, they do. You've got two little plastic containers that you can put treats in or whatever, dog, cat, and then there's even room to put the hairbrush in there. So that is really cute. I think this came in other colors too. If you don't want black, I think there was white. This is an ice tray, and our refrigerator does not have an ice maker or whatever down there at our camper. So I found this little tray. I mean, it's not gonna make much, but it's pretty doggone cute. It has teddy bears. Can you guys see? There's like teddy bears in there. See there. And then it comes with a little scoop, so you can like fill up the tray. We have like a little nugget ice maker that I'd gotten off of TikTok. So I figured we can also be filling that, because as of right now we have it in a plastic bag and it doesn't work well. So anyways, I picked this up off of Temu, and so we're gonna make nugget ice, and then we're also gonna make little square nugget ice with teddy bear heads in it. That's freaking adorable. No idea what I did with mine, so I picked out another one. I think they're called like a Screaming Sally or something, I don't know, but you need to clean out your microwave. These things are perfect. So you fill it up with water, and then I put a little vinegar in there as well. Then you pop it on, you put it in your microwave for a few minutes, and it literally like bubbles up, makes a bunch of steam, and it like steams up your microwave. So you can just literally go in there with a paper towel. You don't have to use any chemicals or cleaners or anything. It's just vinegar and steam water. So yeah, they're just like a few bucks over there on Temu, and I love them. I swear by them. They come in other colors too, but like I said, I couldn't find mine, so I picked up another one. All right, next in here, this just looked bougie and expensive. So if you really want to dress up a purse, they actually have little straps, and you could put this on like a duffel bag, you could put it on a purse, what have you. But I thought about like just trying it on some of my purses that I have. It's so nice, the quality, like look how pretty. It's gonna totally dress anything up, and it is adjustable, so you can make it longer if you need to. But how nice is that? That would be a nice like crossbody strap too, right? Not expensive whatsoever. Like I said, they have everything over there, and it's not just women clothes or straight size clothes. They have curvy, plus size, they have kids, they have men. I've gotten my son and my husband clothes from Temu. Matter of fact, I think my husband actually has the Temu shorts on today. My husband has gotten the Temu shoes from there. This I got to put down on our sink. I have one already here at home, so I got another one because I really like these like little sponge holders, and they clip to the inside of your sink. So whether you get like those sponge daddies or scrub daddies, whatever they're called, and you just bloop, and then it holds your sponge for you. And it's nice because with it holding your sponge, it's wired so it airs everything out, so you're not going to get a stinky stank sponge sitting there growing things in your sink. So I got one to take with us down to our camper. Oh, look at that. So it's got the suction cups, and it also has like the sticky stick if you want to like stick it to your wall or something. I'm not going to do that, but the option is there if you want it. This is a restock because these are freaking amazing, like so amazing. So I hauled these before. I don't know if it was over here or on my other channels, but you guys, do you see that? You know what that smells like. Exactly what you're thinking. Hands down, 100% Biha. It is amazing. I love it. Now here's the problem. One of you guys asked me, Rhonda, which one's your favorite scent? I don't know. Now listen, here's the thing. I know somebody's gonna ask, well, does it last all day? Y'all, it's a body spray. Even the one that's $25 does not last all day. It's just a little body spray. It's a freshener upper, if you will. Like you just leave in the tanning bed, you leave in the gym, you're sitting in the car and you were just outside at the park with the kid. Okay, it's not an all-dayer, it's a refresher. All right, so there's that one. I think I'm gonna tell you guys, and I think you're gonna be surprised by this. Okay, this one should be the Rio. Is that what it's called? Let's see. I've been leaning towards this one, which is the Solar Floral scent. A lot when we're down at the camper. This one, it's kind of got like a honeysuckle scent to it. Now you all know my shower gel is the Biha one. So when I'm down at the camper, I've been actually reaching for this one. But then this other one, which I needed this one because I wanted this the other day when we were down at our camper. Now this one is their Woody Gourmand, and this smells so good. I'm really hoping I can find their lotions. I love a gourmand. I did not realize how much I love gourmands until I started like really reading the perfume labels. But I think if you guys had to ask, there's one more that I hauled, and this one again is very spot on. Like they're all spot on. Love. This is one, I have the large bottle. I forget, I think it was $32. It's not $32. It's literally like under $6 at Temu. I think I would tell you guys this one. This one is Vanilla Orchid and Sheer Sandalwood. This one is Black Amber and Vanilla Woods. It's called Warm Floral. This one, the Solar Floral, is, it just says Solar Tuberose and something cocoa in there. And then the last one, the Fruity Floral, is Brazilian Jasmine and Pink Dragon Fruit. You guys, gifts. Back to school, your kiddo is going to the dorm or what have you, get the whole collection. For yourself, treat yourself. Your kid is going to college. I don't know about y'all, but I'd be going through it. Like, granted, mine are staying home, thank God. But still, treat yourself. It's a lot. Like, I'm on this new journey of parenthood. I mean, if you guys have, well, I'm assuming this is gonna go up after my launch. I don't know, maybe it'll go up before my launch. But if you guys just stick around, watch my launch video where I'm talking about the names of the shades in my new collection with Oprah Cosmetics. Like, you guys know I center everything around family. Like, my favoriteest job in the world is being a mom. And yeah, things they don't ever prep you for is your children becoming adults. Excuse me, maybe we should all get together and write a book about that. A little coffee chat session in the morning. I know I talk about it, but I really need to start those with you guys. Next in here, these portable handheld fans. These are so wonderful, you all. Like, I just can't say enough. My kids snag mine all the time. Matter of fact, my 18-year-old, they, you know, are training for a whole little marathon and with their buddies, and all the friends are grabbing these. So it also has this. So anyways, when they're in here and they're working out on the mat and everything, watch TV doing like an ab workout, they take my fans and set them up and they'll sit there and work out with my little fans going. It does come with the chargers and everything, and they're really nice. This is a mister, guys. This one's different. I don't have that one. I guess you can put water in this one. You can put water in this one and it'll mist it out. They're really gonna look. I'm never gonna see this one again. Take a good look. It's linked down below. Kids are gonna take this one for sure. Sure enough, it mists right out of there. That's nice. I am the type that I have to have a fan in my face when I sleep at all times. I know people say it's not good, and with that I say mind your business. I need a fan. I'm not warm-blooded or hot or nothing. Well, I am because I sleep next to my husband, who is a flippin' inferno, but I need the noise. I need the noise. I just need rhythm, I guess. So it's a clamp fan. Now, the one fan that I did get that I have down at our camper is freaking quiet. I need, yeah, so my hope is I'm gonna clamp this one to the window over my head. It's rechargeable, and my hope is it makes a lot of noise. I don't know how loud it's gonna be, but it came in different colors, and hopefully it's loud enough. Yeah, see, it's flashing at me. Hey, charge me. Okay, fine. I'll be honest with you guys, I bumped the bag when I brought it in, and it was so funny because I heard noises. I was like, oh, there must be a fan in there. So anyways, my hope is there's enough noise, but at least there's going to be enough air, and it's just going to blow right down on me, and it's going to make me so happy. Those are things that I need when I sleep. This will probably become a travel fan. I am like Kathy Hilton. Have you guys ever watched The Real Housewives? I think they're Beverly Hills. And Kathy Hilton travels with a big box fan. That's me. That's me. I need a fan when I'm sleeping, when I'm traveling. If not, I can't. It makes my ears. Anybody else? Does it make your ears hurt? All right, speaking of another fan, because I knew my kid would want it, I picked up another one. And this, I already have this color too, but they really, really like this. And it's the kind that it bends. See, it bends and everything, however you need it. And this is really nice. I really, really like this fan. Comes in different speeds. You just can't beat it with this kind of weather. But anyways, they're out running, jogging, carrying on with their friends. It has a little thing so they can run and have it on them. Working on my fitness. Yes! I have seen these all over the place. You guys know I have been on a mission decorating my camper. Matter of fact, just go follow me over on my other channel, Hot Mess in the House. I'm gonna have to film. We're gonna be going down to our camper, and I have got to film to show you guys all the things that I've picked up. This is an outdoor rug, and I am so excited over this. Oh my gosh. Now, if you want a different color, they have a different color available, but how flippin' nice is this? I am so excited. Oh my gosh, this is gonna go great under the patio table. This is so nice. And look, it's got like the little hooks too, which we're on cement, so we're probably not gonna be able to, like, you know, but we'll have the table there, so it'll be fine. But it's it's an outdoor rug, which is so nice. It's gonna dress everything up so cute. My wreaths, my rugs, outdoor rugs, everything, my mats, all Temu. It's so affordable. Like, you guys, I kid you not, do not go to those camping stores and pick these up. It's a better deal at Temu. Why do I know that? Because I have priced them out. It's a better deal at Temu. Let me know if you guys want to see more Temu hauls over here. Let me know some ideas of things you're wanting to pick up, or you want me to pick up. How adorable is that? Yeah. How adorable is that? I think I'm gonna go and get some, like, go to the Dollar Tree and get little candies. I'll tell you what, where we camp, their Dollar Tree is freaking loaded with a lot of different snacks and stuff. So I think I'm gonna do that and fill this up, so like when the kids come or whatever, they have little snacks. Isn't that so adorable? If you have like a movie section in your house or something, like I was watching, I forget her name, Kiki or something, but she has like a movie section in her basement, and she's got like a basket full of these things, and I'm like, this is so adorable. I'm gonna fill it up so we have little snacks when we're camping. S'mores box. It could be the s'mores box. You guys do s'mores? When you have people over, you put your like solo cups in here, you put a marker right here. I mean, I thought that was such a cute idea. I know when I used to go to my children's aunt's house, she would have huge shindigs, and everybody would have a cup, and she would do a cup and a marker for the water bottles and the solo cups. So I got that for when we have shindigs, and that way we could put the cups in there. I mean, so nice, affordable, so adorable. I think they came in other colors too, but I wanted all that to match, and I thought it was really, how adorable. This is really nice. It's kind of, I feel like, for me, I feel like I should use this as a sunglass holder, but I feel like too, for back to school, a lot of kids have to keep like clear things. I feel like this would be a good like little crown or case or pencil holder kind of dealio. It could be for whatever you want, but that is really nice. Like, you guys see how nice it is? It's not crazy flimsy. It literally is super nice. Nice zipper. I think this one also came in other colors too, but that is all the randoms. Anyways, friends, that is everything for today's Temu haul. As always, everything's going to be linked and listed down below. Don't forget, check out my special link down below. Sometimes too, they'll put like extra little bargain deals. Like one time when I hauled these, they had them down to $1 for us. So there could be a little special something down there. Make sure to check it out. Special little coupon code that you just have to search in the search bar in the app. And let me know some things that I need to haul in our next Temu haul. Anyways, if this is before July 15th, make sure that you are subscribed over here. We're gonna go live at 12:45 Eastern Standard Time on Monday, July 15th. If it's past, go ahead and check out the video and let me know your thoughts on my new collaboration with Oprah Cosmetics. And of course, I'm on Hotmess Momma vlogs. You can check me out for curvy girl fashion hauls over there. Hotmess in the House. I'm on TikTok and Instagram at Hotmess Momma 4. Haley and I have a podcast, Unconditional Hotmess, here and on Spotify. Thank you to Temu for letting me pick out all these goodies, and let me know what you want to see in the future. Until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye! And I promise you a video vlog coming soon of the camper with all the Temu decor. Okay, bye!